My assistant Emily and I have been making a microwave oven transformer magnet. We took the top off of a microwave oven transformer, took the small windings out, and kept the big windings, and then hooked up a double pull, double throw knife switch so that we can switch between 9 volts and 3 volts, and you get a feel for kind of how strong this magnet is. So we're going to switch it over to 3 volts, and when I try to pick it up, I've got it clamped to the table and I can't pick it up. If you want to make it even stronger, switch it over to the 9 volt side. And there's no way I can move that either. So I guess it's a function of the iron core and the number of windings, but it doesn't take much voltage at all to make a very strong electromagnet. Thanks to Uncle Jason for the idea. He's the one that did it first. And thanks to my lovely assistant, Emily.